fuck. Nope. I guess with a bit of luck only this trace is severed and the other ones are still intact. So there are more pads gone than I thought. This one, like I already said. Additional, there are 4 pins on the bottom side which are completely ripped off. Let's have a look at the pin out. USB 3 has this pin out. The important ones are the 4 on the bottom. VCC, ground, D+, D-. I just have to replace these 4 pins. Don't set the temperature too high when you do this. Start with 330, 340 degrees. And you see the first pins coming off. Just have to be careful that I don't desolder these capacitors, and there goes the connector. I have to make these 4 pins work. I have to make sure that these 4 are connected. So this USB connector, which I have cut off from a poor USB cable, comes to the rescue. 4 wires. Red is plus, black is ground, white is D-, and then green is D+. Now I have to connect these traces to here. Okay. It was nothing. I love this sound. There he is. I'm so happy. Thanks for watching.